how to fix Google Play Store download pending on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store download pending on Android phone. First open settings, and here click apps and then apps again and type here Google Play and click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click clear cache and then force stop and go back, try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again, and now your problem must be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix it, then all you need to do just restart your phone, click restart, and then your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.